In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the timeline feature in Asana. We'll dive into how you can optimize this tool for better project management in just a few short minutes. This feature is particularly helpful in visualizing tasks over time and understanding the dependencies and potential scheduling conflicts within your projects. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and go to Asana. If you aren't already logged in, enter your email address. After that, hit the continue button. Now it's time to enter your password. Once you've done that, simply click on the login button and you should be directed to your Asana homepage. Now once you're on the homepage, you'll need to open either the project or portfolio you want to visualize using the timeline. This is essential for getting a comprehensive view of all the related tasks and their scheduling. Next, locate and click on the timeline tab. This will present you with a visual layout of all your tasks for the selected project or portfolio. It's laid out in a Gantt chart style, making it easy to see the sequencing of tasks. From here you can add new tasks directly to the timeline. Just click the Add Task button to start. As you add tasks, make sure each one has a start and a due date. This is crucial because only tasks with defined dates will appear on the timeline. Your timeline might also show an unscheduled tasks section off to the right. Here you'll find tasks that haven't been given specific dates yet. You can drag these into the timeline to schedule them. Tasks that depend on others are connected visually on the timeline. You'll notice grey lines, which indicate non-conflicting dependencies, and red lines for those that could potentially conflict. Managing these is vital for ensuring your timelines run smoothly. If you need to add or adjust dependencies, you can easily do so by dragging connectors between tasks on the timeline. Alternatively, use the Add Dependency option for a more precise approach. Another dynamic aspect of the timeline view is the ability to move tasks around by simply dragging and dropping them. This allows you to change their start or due dates seamlessly while automatically updating the timeline. By clicking on any task, you'll open up its details pane, which provides more information about that specific task. Lastly, explore the Timeline Options menu, where you'll find tools to manage how dependency date shifts affect your timeline. This offers a bit more control over how tasks and their relationships are adjusted when timelines change. And there you have it. You've just learned how to leverage Asana's timeline feature for efficient project management. Implement these steps to ensure your projects are organized and on track. Don't forget to practice using this feature to truly grasp its potential in visualizing and controlling your workflows. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.